Hello and welcome. I'm your astrologer N Baksh and you're watching Sitaro Ka Safar. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming lunar eclipse happening on March 14th, 2025. Will this lunar eclipse open new doors for you or bring unexpected challenges? In this video, we'll take a closer look at how this powerful event might influence your financial and emotional well-being. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. For Pisces moon sign, the lunar eclipse occurs in the 6th house, which governs health, diseases and recovery, daily work, job environment and responsibilities, enemies, competition and legal matters, along with that, service, loans and debts. Let's see the effects of the lunar eclipse in the 6th house. There will be health concerns, your immune system may weaken and fatigue may increase. Conflicts with co-workers or authority figures at work are possible. Legal matters or disputes may resurface, so avoid arguments. Increased stress related to debts or financial obligations is possible. This is a good time to let go of unhealthy habits. Post-eclipse, you may find solutions to persistent health issues. Mental clarity will improve, allowing you to make better decisions. Since the moon moves to the 7th house after the eclipse, focus shifts towards relationships, marriage and business partnerships, public image and professional agreements. Along with that, legal matters related to partnerships may become significant. After the eclipse, Pisces should focus more on balancing relationships and career matters to avoid unnecessary conflicts. There will be some challenges in relation to career and work environment. There might be workplace conflicts such as miscommunication with colleagues or superiors. There will be increased workload where you will feel overwhelmed by responsibilities. There might be job instability, so avoid impulsive career changes during the eclipse. On the other hand, there will be opportunities as well. Post-eclipse, career clarity and new job opportunities may arise. This will be a good time to evaluate long-term career goals. In relation to financial planning, there will be risk. You will need to avoid taking on new debts or loans during this period. Unexpected medical or legal expenses may arise. There will be some opportunities as well, such as this would be a good time for financial restructuring. Post-eclipse, improved financial planning will bring better results. If we talk about relationships and personal life, emotional instability may affect relationships, so avoid any kind of conflicts. Family matters may require patience and understanding. Post-eclipse, relationships will stabilize, bringing clarity and better communication. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Donate food, clothes, or essentials to the needy, especially on Thursdays. Avoid major decisions in relation to finance, career, or relationships until after the eclipse. Practice meditation and breathing exercises to handle stress. This lunar eclipse will highlight health and work-related challenges, but it also offers a chance for self-improvement and better planning post-eclipse. Pisces is still under Sarsakti, so patience and discipline are needed. Be mindful of health and avoid overworking yourself. Career challenges are temporary. Post-eclipse clarity will help you. Avoid taking loans or making big financial commitments during this period. Focus on spiritual growth and mental well-being. Pisces, stay strong. This phase will pass and better times will follow. And that's all for today's video. I hope this gave you some clarity on how the lunar eclipse of March 14, 2025 might affect your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Take care of yourself, stay positive and as always, keep following the paths written in the stars. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.